Hey, what's up, fellow coin hunters? As of late October 2022, the Anna May Wong quarters have entered circulation. Considered the first Chinese-American movie star in Hollywood, Anna May Wong is one of this year's 5 trailblazing women celebrated on the 25-cent coinage as a part of the U.S. Mint's 4-year series of American Women quarter dollars. Earlier honorees include Maya Angelou, Dr. Sally Ride, Wilma Mankiller, and Nina Atera Warren. This series will continue through 2025, with designs for 2023 already being announced. I have a video on those if you want to check that out. The design was created by Emily Damstra and sculpted by John P. McGraw. The new quarter's reverse depicts a close-up image of Anna May Wong, with her head rested on her hand, surrounded by bright lights of a marquee sign. Obverses of all quarters in the series share a depiction of George Washington that was sculpted 90 years ago by Laura Gardin Fraser to mark Washington's 200th birthday. Quarters for circulation are struck at the U.S. Mint production facilities in Philadelphia and Denver. Also upcoming, the U.S. Mint will offer Anna May Wong quarters in an uncirculated finish for coin collectors. Let me know what you think about the new Anna May Wong quarter dollars that are now released from the U.S. Mint as part of the American Women quarter dollar series. We'll talk about it in the comments below, and I will see you in the next video.